Hey cubing gang, the Perfect Cuber here. Welcome back to another video. I have a package here and I know what's in it. Let's open this up. I need scissors. I got my scissors now. Let's continue the unboxing. Okay, here we go. Inside here, we have a Yuxin Little Magic Magnetic MF3RS2 M and Yuxin Black 4x4. Let's unbox first the Yuxin 4x4. First turns. It is sandy. It is stable. It is not too fast. I like the feeling of this cube. Let's check the corner cutting. Out of the box, the corner cutting is better than my T1S. Wow. I can tell whether the tensions are tight or loose. Oops. Pop. Overall, it feels nice. Definitely an upgrade to my T1S. The internals are color blue. I think the tensions are tight. Let's move on to the next cube. These two are my first magnetic cubes. I will unbox first the Yuxin Little Magic because I am more excited on the MF3RS2. Looks like it has lube. Okay, first turns. There's a lot of lube on the outside. What I notice here are the stickerless shades. It's different from my Yuxin Little Magic. And the logo is also different. I think this one is the newer version. I don't know. Let me know if I am wrong. The magnets are very light. I can feel the magnets when I'm turning the cube. And it catches. This cube is really fast. This cube is not very smooth. It is little bit sandy. Corner cutting is 45 degrees and reverse cuts is almost line to line. The Yuxin Little Magic is very nice. It is fast but controllable and the feeling is nice. However, I experienced some catches. Let's move on to the next cube. Sticker shades are okay. Okay, first turns. There is a lot of lubes outside. But the magnets are stronger than on the Little Magic. It has a very good corner cutting. It is not sandy, but it is not very smooth. The feeling is nice. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. These three are all main worthy. I will make a review of these three soon. They are all very good. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. This is the Perfect Cuber, and I will see you all next time. We have this very big truck. Let's get right here. In this person, I also